under the Commonwealth law, the British law, we are Juma, you treat social security. You're near drafty, you're near enacted social security. You didn't know anything about social security, SNIT. And your mom working social security. Now, mon fire their mind. And Kroma at the time thought said there was too much money in the social security. Yes, Momra. Na Ghana any accountant. Na Ghana any auditor. Na Ghana any binti. British for na kakrane edumba eno. The be work in social security. Enti wunim calculations. Wunim bibia.
And as scaneta honti.
And wapu scanning in the koye. Enti ebi home so peniska pen gold. No mako ye free stock. Piska pen gold. No mako in stock. And wipe is scanning in our decor because the shillings at the time was backed by the gold that we had. And the gold was not here. Just like I said, the French for and the colonialism. The gold was in UK. Into our social security, our work there, me tier free more. What they say? So I'm saying Ghana International Bank, UK. That's where we had our stock of gold. The bank is still no better struggle. What they say? So only yesi can do duana no the coin.
Any good.
And yes, of course, cash against gold against cash or cash against gold, open and what. And a honor Ghana crisis, but even at the time, a population of about 4 million, na senki ya tinase, na ya tuya boase, near planet country, and that's what, but we're in a rush. Near ndi if you are same and you see the other countries. Yeah, because na Ghana never thought 4 million population and the money no munya enya dream say scan biti masa. So they started to go, of course, with the president in Nkrumah. So umbe move very fast. Now young connect young hit the other countries. That is where British decided to sabotage us until today. Because now other countries, Nigeria was not one country, it was 3 countries at the time. What they say? Nigeria was 3 countries at the time. And to Ghana first started say the pressure. Nigeria due into Nigeria mo katafalo belowa no. Nigeria due umrani enche mo kwan befa so. Musumba jimdie. Into English countries in West Africa, namely Ghana, Gambia, which was a strip of part of Senegal, Gambia, Sierra Leone, and Nigeria. Okay? In Ghana, this high pressure on the it took the British 3 years, and they regretted for giving Ghana independence. It took them 3 years until 1960. So, watch here, and no man Sierra Leone, Nigeria, so the British left West Africa and straight away to Central Africa. Central Africa, Cameroon. And almost pick the part of Cameroon and in Nigeria border. No. Bakassi Peninsula. That is the today's Akwa Ibom State, Calabar side. Into Krosoha, now called the southern part of Cameroon, Nyenge, Kumba, now called Bafoussam, Boya, those part of Cameroon. Once the holding now was part of Nigeria. The British one Kotinaho, and the French one year agreement. But look at what the French did to Ghana. And what the Ghanaian, Nigeria, the English did to them. Almost said no sanko for we see mo. They are bad. Omeni ate dodo. A whole British power no me time to free her. Muma yen keji omu. With a language barrier. And on a French understanding. And they share all the English countries in West Africa. Omo block will be out with French.
And Ghana team.
Or block Ghana with French. Or block Nigeria with French. Or block Sierra Leone with French. And also block your friend is saying Gambia with French.